Hello, my alien students. Hope everyone is doing well. So, what's the story for today? The story is as follows. I am planning to start, not planning, I have already started one Autodesk course on Autodesk Certified Professional for AutoCAD design and drafting. Okay, a professional course where I'll be discussing, I'm planning whoever wants to enroll can enroll. I will be covering all the topics for the exam, each and every topic. And it's going to be an online course. So this would be the, yeah, if anyone is planning to enroll and finish, or let's say pass the ACP, it's called an ACP, the AutoCAD Certified Professional for Design and Drafting, by end of this month, that is end of March, please let me know, because the next month we're going to start a course on Revit for electrical and then mechanical and professional. So I have planned that every month we'd be dedicating, yeah, so that's the story. Anyway, all good. So what's the story? We are planning to start a course on AutoCAD for design and drafting. Okay, we'll be covering each and every topic of the exam. And just to give you hi, hello of the exam, or let's say the course, I just give you a small example and then we'll be clear. Okay, can everyone see the screen? Okay, it's going to be a good one. Okay, look at this. Okay, I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Okay, and can you see this quick command? Okay, quick command. Okay, when I hover my mouse on this rectangle, I see this 90 degree, this 90 degree symbol. Fine, fair enough, I can see it, which is good. What does this rectangle, the orange rectangle represents? It's a 90 degree. Okay, when I come here to the same, not same, similar drawing, I can see 90 degree on the edges. See here 90 degree and another 90 degree. And then here I have a rectangle. So what's the difference? Why is here 90 degree and when here I come, I can see the square but without the numbers? Okay, I want you to tell me the answer in the comment section and and I will tell you what it is. Okay. The person who does the correct answer would be, from my side, I would give him a discount for the course. Let's put it that way. Yeah, come on, Okay, so the story is as follows. Okay, you see this rectangle. I can see 90, 90, 90. But I also can see in this drawing, in this backyard, one place it is a rectangle, the other one it is 90 degree. Okay, you could tell me, John, you know what? He's a right-handed person. So, on the left side, he just shows this way, but on the other hand, he just shows 90 degree. What applies here? Okay. See here, on the same drawing, on the same place, he shows all these squares. My question is, why does he show 90 here and here he doesn't show? Okay, so give me the answer and the student who gives the correct answer or even attempts, no, let me say attempts. Okay, attempts the question, or let's say heading towards the right answer, I would give him a discount for the course. Anyhow, all good. So this is the small hi hello of the course. We'll be dealing into much deeper. But this question just struck me. I said, okay, it's a good valid question. Why is it 90 and here it shows a rectangle? Okay, is it clear? Okay, so I hope everyone enjoyed this small hi hello class. I've been busy, so that's why I've not been putting videos on YouTube for a long time. But I do get comments here and there. John, I do receive comments and email also. And yeah, so, and I've received one alien email stating that he wants to join the electrical course and he's given me his number. If you're interested, you can join the AutoCAD course. More than welcome, be my guest. And for the Revit electrical course, we'll be starting in that next month. Okay. Anyhow, hope everyone enjoyed this alien class. It's nice to be back on YouTube for some time. And we see each other in the next class. Yalla, bye.